What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites and also show you how to earn and make some free crypto by the side. So guys, in this video we're going to be talking about some recent applications and websites we've reviewed on this platform, like the CATLY.io, Trustbank. We're going to be talking about ice mining. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys one new way of earning USDT and also a new token in this video. So if you're interested in knowing how these things works, stick to this video till the end. Alright, so the first one I'm going to be talking about is the Trustbank. The Trustbank is no longer working, it's no longer paying. I don't know, maybe it's still working, but it is no longer paying anyway, because you can use this, you can you can go to the site and you're going to see it looking like this, still working, but honestly it's no longer paying. So I won't advise you to go ahead and deposit on this platform anymore. You have to stop whatever you're doing, whatever deposit you're trying to make. Do not deposit any longer because it is no longer paying. So guys, I actually made some USDT from it, and I also lost some. It's not always every time we win, you know. It's crypto. In crypto or anything online, it's very risky. So that's why I always tell you guys, make sure you do your thorough research before you go into all these platforms. So I made some and I lose some. So if you are thinking of going into Trustbank, please do not go into it. You should think of something else. All right. Okay, now talking about CATLY.io. CATLY is still paying. CATLY is still giving us joy, making us happy. And it's still good. It's still paying anyway. I withdrew yesterday, I withdrew today. I keep withdrawing my daily rewards. So sometimes I let it accumulate for 2 days before I withdraw them. But right now I withdrew today and I withdrew yesterday. So if you are still thinking or thinking if you're going to be on this or not, well, CATLY is still paying. You can still hop on it, and they have some new updates that they did recently. Let's quickly go to this token page. Let me click on token page. All right, so here you can see in their update they showed us recently that they have gotten to about 14% of sold of the buyback. Yes, they've gotten like 14%. So now trying to tell us that once it gets to the 70%, they will be listing the CATLY token on this exchanges that you can see available here. So we are expecting CATLY to be listed on PancakeSwap, Bitforex, Huobi, Gate.io, KuCoin, OKX, Bybit, and Biconomy. So they will be listing this token on these exchanges once they get to 70% buyback. That's if this particular update gets to 70%, they are going to be listing it. And now the price of the listing price we should be expecting 0.0066 as the listing price. So CATLY is still paying. If you have not joined right now, you can still hop on it. You know, I've always told you guys, you only have to take risk. If you don't risk, you are not going to be earning anything. It's actually playing in pain. So that's what I want you guys to know. CATLY is still good to go. From the ICE team, they made an announcement this week, I think 2 days ago, and they are talking about their upgrade and their update about the application. Whatever they told us, whatever message they passed on, I'm going to be brief about this. They are just letting us know that everything is going to be starting very soon, and we should be expecting the reset of our balance maybe like 2 to 3 times before the official launching of the mining application. So the application is actually okay, is working right now, but we can be expecting the balance to be wiped out. So they are going to be resetting it maybe 2 or 3 times before the official launching. So in case you notice that your mining balance changed, it went back to 10, you should know that it's because they've they've reset the balance. That is why, and it's part of what they've already announced to us. So in case you are not yet on ICE mining right now, you can easily go to the description of this video. There's a link there, you can join, and you are going to start mining automatically. And join us, start building your team from now, so that when it is launched, you are going to be benefiting from the hustle. So now they also gave us a warning today, telling us not to have multiple accounts. So if you are on this application, or you are planning of having double accounts, please do not do that, because once you do it, you won't be given access to KYC, and once you can't access your KYC, it means you won't be able to withdraw whatever you mine from this application. So guys, just stick to make sure you just respect the rules and regulations, so that you don't end up wasting your time mining for nothing. So guys, just respect it. Do not have double accounts. One account is okay. All you need to do is to build your team, and you can accumulate more of this token. So it's very easy and simple as that. So if you have not seen these messages, I posted it in my Telegram channel, where I post updates about cryptocurrencies and every other stuffs that I always bring up on my channel. They are always on this Telegram channel. So you can go down in the description of this video. You can also join this channel, so you can be updated regularly as I post my updates. All right. For the other platform I told you guys about that you can earn for free and also get some new tokens, is the Spider SRC. That's a new platform that is actually giving us the opportunity to trade with AI, and everything is done for free. You don't need to even make any deposit on this platform. So quickly, if you want to join us on this platform, there's a link in the description of this video. You go in there, you are going to click on it, and it will bring you to a page where you can sign up. You sign up for an account, and once you sign up, you are going to receive 20,000 of the SRC on your balance. You can see it over here. I have this because I've already tried and refer some people. So you are going to get 20,000 of the token. You will see it right here, and over here you are going to see 10 USDT, which you are going to be using for trading, for the AI trading. So once you come into the platform, all is done. I mean, your registration and everything is set up. All you need to do is to come to your home page over here, then you click on this join AI. You can see join AI, this blue button you can see over here. All you need to do is to click on it, and once you click on it, this is where you are going to put in the 10 USDT that was given to you to work. So all you need to do is to come there. You can take your time to read there. You read everything you can see here. They're just telling you your daily percentage that you're going to be receiving from this platform. So you come over here, you click on join, and what you need to do is to put the 10. You write 10. I've already done that today, so I won't be able to do that again. So you just write the 10. That 10 USDT, then you write your password, you put your password again, then you click on join AI. So once you click on it, it's going to start automatic trading. It's going to start trading for you automatically, and each day you are going to be receiving daily rewards for these trades that you've just activated. So you need to do this every day. Every 24 hours you need to activate the trading. So you are going to come over here, AI order. You're going to see you can see mine is active right now, and I've already done that, like I think 3 times. Let me check. Expired. Yeah, you can see 2. That's the one I did today is the 3rd one. So you can keep earning from this daily, and the thing is, you can withdraw once you are able to earn up to $2 USDT, which is the minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw it freely into your wallet. I'm going to keep up, and once I want to withdraw, I'll also send you guys. I'll also make a video for you guys to see the withdrawal process, how to do it. So for now, I'm still trying to trade to accumulate 0.3% of the USDT, of the daily USDT, which is free for now. And now if you wish to, or instead of you to just withdraw, you wish to keep going on till you get a higher amount, so like anything from like 20, if you are able to accumulate up to 20 USDT, you can come to the second one and trade, join AI, which is going to give you 0.6% daily. So guys, that is how this platform works. Actually, it's completely free, you are not paying anything. Yes, let me even show you. Click on deposit and see it is not gonna work. See, deposit not yet open. So for now guys, you can only withdraw, you can't deposit, so it's completely free. That's all I wanted to show you. The link is in the description of this video. If you're interested, go down there, join us, and let's see how it goes. This is another free way of making some extra cash. So the thing is, once the platform is ready to launch their token, which is the SRC, we are going to be able to withdraw the ones we have on our balance. So for now, it is not yet launched. They are still working on it, and more updates to come about this in the nearest future. If you stick to my channel, I'm going to be bringing you guys more updates about the SRC and the Spider platform. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video right now, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget, you need to click on the notification bell sign once you subscribe. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you're not going to be missing out on these updates. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Bye.